In this session, we will discuss about POS module. The POS is an unique of this ERP system which is working on 100% web-based environment. Point of sale application can be used both online as well as offline. It is fully integrated with the inventory and accounting application. Any transaction in your point of sale will be automatically registered in your stock and accounting entries. But also in your CRM as the customer can be identified from the app. One of the main features of the POS is that it can operate in offline mode. That is, the end user can use the POS frontend even if there is no internet connection. So let's take a look on how it works in this ERP system. This is the dashboard window. Here we can see all our sessions we have, and hereby we can simply start our session by clicking on new session. And we can configure the each sessions by menu bar of the individual session, and by clicking on it we can see the corresponding views and the reporting. Inside the view we can see the orders and the sessions. By clicking on the orders we can see the corresponding orders from the sessions. And ending the session we can see the details of these sessions. And inside the reporting, here we can see the report of these orders. And here we can see the tab settings. By clicking the settings, we can enter to the corresponding settings of this session. And this is the corresponding session we are click. And we can see the first checkbox is a bar or restaurant. If we enabling this, then the session become a table alignment, that's a bar row or restaurant. And by enabling this we can see some changes, but now we are not enable this option. The other option is login with employees. By enabling this option we can provide employee to manage our sessions. Also the manager have the option to set the security for this. Let's move to the other option, and here we can see the POS interface. And here comes the looks on the POS session, and by enabling the category pictures we can set the picture for these categories. And here is an important option, that is restrict available product categories. For restrict products in our session we have to enable this option, and after enable we can see a select box here. And the POS session will only display the product category which we are selecting here. Then the category service will only display in our section. We can see that after saving this. Here we can see the category chair only. The other products are restricted here. And let's go to the others. Next is to set start category. By setting start category, when we open the session, the category will display there. And if you want to use connecting devices from outside the session, we have to enable the option IoT box devices. And connecting the connection devices, and we can configure it here. And the barcode scanner. Here we can set the default nomenclature for the barcode. And the pricing. Here we can set the default price list of this and the advanced price list. By enabling this, we can set a specific price and seasonable discounts, etc. Here we can see the payment methods, cash, bank, etc. And these are the main settings of the shop. And save. And in normal case, we are starting a new session by clicking on new session. And these are the products. And the order we want. You can give the quantity here. And making payment for this. And validate. If we want next order, we can use it. And we closing this session. Then we can see here it's for closing the journal entries. And the invoice automatic invoicing. We can make it clear.